Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pavan Rawal. I am Unit Head of Gastroenterology, Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we'll talk little about liver and the liver health and something about hepatitis. Liver is a very vital organ in the body. It is situated in the right part of the abdomen, weighing around 1.5 kilograms. It's a very vital organ, performs around 500 functions for the liver. To name two or three, I would say, it's like a kitchen of the body. It gives you food which is digested and can be used for the metabolic functions. Second, it's like a sewerage plant. It detoxifies your body. Whatever the toxins are produced in the body, they are detoxified by the liver. And thirdly, it helps in clotting of the blood whenever there is a ooze from any part of the body. 3-4 things I would say liver doesn't like are the alcohol, especially if consumed in excessive amounts. Too much food or fat in the body, that means obesity or overweight. Third is the viruses. I would label as mainly the viral hepatitis B and C, and some of the medications or drugs which can be toxic to the liver. Excess of consumption of alcohol can be dangerous, especially in people who are obese, elderly, or extremes of the ages. So decreasing the consumption of alcohol or making it occasionally is useful. Talking about obesity, if the body mass index of the person is more than 30, if without diabetes, or 25 with diabetes, can cause trouble to the liver by causing fatty liver, and fatty liver on long term can lead to damage of the liver causing cirrhosis, which is kind of scarring on the liver. Third situation, if we talk of viral hepatitis, the two common viral hepatitis which are chronic, means they cause disease on long term, are hepatitis B and C. Hepatitis B and C are very slow viruses. Once they enter in the body, they will take months and years to multiply and then cause damage to the liver. But that would mean that for those few years, they are not causing any symptom, so they are kind of hidden threats. So these people in whom viruses are there in the body but not leading the symptoms, they are the threats because they are carrying the virus, they can spread them. How virus spreads? Regarding B and C, there are 4 major routes. One is by the contaminated blood. Second is the contaminated needle. Third is the sexual route. And fourth is from mother to child. How we can prevent ourselves? Whenever you think that you are being transfused a blood or given a needle, you should check whether it's new and whether the blood that has been given is tested for hepatitis B and C. There is a very efficient vaccine available for hepatitis B. Get yourself vaccinated by 3 doses. And last but not the least, whenever you are visiting a person like a barber or a tattoo maker, ask him to use a sterile needle, not the used one. So, by getting educated about hepatitis B and C and alcohol and other causes which affect the liver, we can be prevented from so many diseases which affect liver. Thank you.